Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today we're gonna go over the stimulus check. Yes, we're gonna go over the deadline for the stimulus check. So for those of you who do not know me, my name is Lenka. I'm an enrolled agent admitted to practice in front of the IRS, here to assist you guys with your tax and accounting needs, as well as helping you resolve your tax debt with the IRS. So the deadline to apply for the stimulus check for the non-filer for the non-filer individuals was yesterday, Saturday, November the 21st at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So if you had missed that deadline, which means that you can no longer use the non-filer tool to request your stimulus check. So what is the non-filer tool? The non-filer tool was a tool pretty much that the IRS created for individuals who legally were not required to file a tax return, people who did not make enough to file a tax return, individuals who did not work at all, individuals receiving social security benefit who did not need to file because again they didn't make enough to file a tax return. So that's what the non-filer tool was used for. And the IRS was trying to get as many people as possible to receive the stimulus check and to distribute those funds by the end of the year 2020. So they kept extending the deadline and as far as we know, for now, the deadline was for sure yesterday, November 21st at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. But there are good news. So the good news is there's a lot of people that were not eligible for the stimulus check because it was based on the 2019 income. So if your income was a certain level, you would not receive the stimulus check, or I believe that you would receive at least a portion, not the full amount. And so the thing is, if you miss the deadline or if you were not eligible for 2019, for the individuals that were not eligible for 2019, when it comes to 2020, because of COVID, because of the pandemic, a lot of you guys, I know your income has gone down. Yes, some of your income has gone up, and it was a really good year for you. The pandemic was actually, did not hit your business, it actually improved your business. But for a lot of individuals, their income went down, so they made less. You guys made less for 2020 than you made in 2019. So if your income is at that amount that it will make you eligible for the stimulus check, you may still be able to get that stimulus payment. So how does that happen? So if you miss the deadline and if you are not eligible based on your income for 2019, but you're eligible based on your income for 2020, because the IRS will look at your 2020 income, you may be able to get the stimulus check as a form of tax rebate, which is called the recovery rebate credit. So when you file your 2020 tax return, which is going to be in January 2021, from January 2021 to April 2021, when you file your tax return, you will use a worksheet and let your accountant know, let your tax preparer know, hey, I did not receive the stimulus check, or I didn't receive the full amount. Please make sure to check to see if I'm still eligible for it or eligible for the amount that I did not receive. So they will complete that worksheet and see if you're eligible. Now, if you're eligible, you'll use that. The IRS will use that recovery rebate credit to get you the stimulus check. So just because the deadline has passed, that doesn't mean that you won't, that's it. You can get, it's your loss. You missed the deadline. You didn't do you didn't do what you needed to do, or didn't know what you needed to do. Then, too bad. No, that's not the case. So the IRS will still provide people who are eligible their stimulus payment with your tax return. So for individuals who were not did not have to file are not required to file, you might still need to file a tax return so you can get your stimulus check. So this is the information I have for you guys. The deadline to file for you to get your stimulus check was November 21st at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. If you miss that deadline, you're going to have to file a tax return and see if you can get that recovery rebate credit. Because I know a lot of people still have taxes that they have not filed 2018, 2019 and such. So you guys did not receive your stimulus check, and because of COVID, because of the pandemic, your income has gone down anyway. Because I know a lot of people were like, well, my income was up. I mean, because of my income, I was not going to be eligible for the stimulus check. So I'm not going to rush to file. I'm not going to file. What's the point? I'm not going to get the stimulus check, as a lot of people were rushing to file so they could get the stimulus check. So it might be a different case for you guys. So again, check with your accountant, check with your tax preparer to see if you will be eligible for the recovery rebate credit and get your stimulus payment. So I hope this video helped. If you guys have any questions, any concern, please book a free consultation call with me, and I'll be more than happy to assist. You guys take care.